To change the name on these games from Codex or any other hacker that's put his name in there, once you find the game, right-click, hit Open File Location. Look for this file, Configuration Settings. Right-click, uncheck the read-only, hit Apply, then open it, or open it with Notepad. Here I've got Edit, and then scroll down and you'll see the name, Codex. Change it to whatever you want, save, and there it's done. Now, when I start the game, now you'll see it has my name. It doesn't have Codex anymore. Normally where it says Cool Fingers, it would say Codex. And that's it. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe for more goodies.